So delayed po yung flight natin, pero kailangan natin maaga na makarating sa airport. Excited na. Matapos ma-delay ng ilang araw, ilang buwan. Matuloy din sa wakas. Ayan, kita-kits na lang sa airport.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride.
Ayan o. So okay na, successful na yung ating check-in. Waiting na lang tayo for boarding. So medyo delay po yung flight natin. So dito na tayo waiting sa gate number 16. Ayan. So, hindi na ako nag-vlog sa loob na masyado kasi baka tayo ay mapagalitan. Ayan, see you soon Pinas. Ayan, ilang oras na lang nakikita ko na ang ating bayang Sinilangan. Ayan, dito no, yun yung mga gate. Dito yung gate namin, waiting kami dito, gate number 16. So ayan, kita-kits sa Pilipinas.
A few moments later.
Ayun o, pipila na kami boarding time. Umpisa na. Ang dami eh. Ilan na kami, boarding time na po. Ayan. Ang haba oh. Ayan mga kabayan. So dito wala nang social distancing. Unahan na sa pila. Ayan ang haba. Ito yung pangalawang gate. Ayan, iikot-ikot pa yan. Dami ito.
A few moments later.
Nawaw mali yung aming pila. Ayan. Sumunod sa pila.
Bakit tumiba? Tama na sabi ko sa'yo, bulo tayo.
Nagkagulo siya.
Ay, nagabang video ba rin mo? Pwede.
Hello po. Ayan, doon na ang pila na. Ang mga kabayan natin, nagsasayahan. Ang sarap na sa pakiramdam dahil tayo ay makakauwi na sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Ayun o, tuloy-tuloy na pala sila dun. So, yung nauna sa pila kanina, sila yung nahuli. Ayan. Boarding time. Boarding time. Ayan po. Ayan sila mga kabayan. Iikot pa dun. Ito yung economy. Ito ng Philippine Airlines receipt. Ganyan nyo lang po siya. Itapat ko na sa bento.
Nakatapos ng ligo. Kumakuha tayo na. Hindi ko na magtayo.
Ayun, okay.
Doon ako sa dulo eh. Enjoy. Yung kasama ko wala na. Sobrang natakot. Tumawag pa siya ng ano?
Hindi po, yan ano.
Ito.
Ay, hindi, sa labas siya.
Hindi kaya sa labas.
Oo.
Parang
Ayan o.
nana ko ha? Nana ko.
Ayan o, naka-full gear ko. Namimigay siya ng review. Lahat na naka-wear ng face shield.
May frequent seats din kahit pa.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we request that everyone to occupy your assigned seats indicated in your boarding card. This is for weight and balance purposes and contact tracing.
Ilagay ang inyong bagahe sa overhead bins o sa ilalim ng upuan sa inyong harapan. Ito ay non-smoking flight. Ang paninigarilyo at paggamit ng electronic cigarettes ay hindi pinahihintulutan.
Free ends to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head, take tape around your waist, Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the 2 inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. Please remove face shields and face masks before donning oxygen mask upon presentation during decompression. And in the likely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your personal mask and face shields immediately. Grab the aircraft oxygen mask and pull firmly towards you. Put a mask over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic back for your snob feet and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, pull your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency light and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety cards found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelt are securely fastened, seat back in an upright position, large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets, window shades open, and your tray tables stowed.
I gave you my heart.